Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Love Art and Sketches. So today we are creating a beautiful drawing of a Lord Ram hand holding a bow and arrow. So let's start it. Step 1. Start by sketching the basic shape of a round hand. Step 2. Draw the arrow with a pointed tip and a shaft held by the hand. Step 3. Draw the bow into fingers wrapped around an arrow. Step 4. Now it's time to shading times. Use light pencil for base shadings like HB or 2B, and if you use a darker shades for depth, for use 4B and 6B, and for blending you can use blending stamp of finger, and you can use for the cotton as well. Now it's time to detailing to the hands. Add wrist detail like bracelet or cuff. What you want to be added, you can as per your choice. And that's it. My drawing is ready. Hope you like it. So please do like, share, and comments. And don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.